Hello, I'm very excited to share with you. We have this newly launched Elemente Loose Powder and the two color tones of the concealer, the ivory and the beige. First, of course, get your moisturizer done. For me, I chose +02. Okay, as the name suggests, it brings oxygen to your face. Imagine we can breathe actually. So how much oxygen can reach at the end to the skin is actually very, very less, actually the least. So when having this +02, it can actually help your skin to breathe directly the oxygen. Look at the bubbles form. This is all the oxygens from the air. It definitely helps your skin to breathe better, to breathe directly the oxygen. See the bubbles form? Actually, this is by perfluorocarbon. It is an excellent oxygen carrier. So if you have concern on the eye bag, dark circle, you can actually apply more here, massage more here at the eye area. So a lot of skincare may not be suitable for the eye area. So for Elemente series, you can be rest assured it's all suitable for the delicate eye area. Alright. So you can massage it for the whole face, your forehead. Alright. It will give you a radiant look. Next, I applied this moisturizer, fog moisturizer. This is especially great to actually control the oil. It's very thin layer of this moisturizer, but actually it's very effective to control the oil. For me, I have oily skin, so after having this moisturizer, right, it can actually very well control my oil, and then the whole day I can have a very fresh and just need to have a little touch up. Alright, so this is fog moisturizer. It's suitable for all skin, especially for men and women. Now it's the makeup time. For me, I chose this Poreless Perfect Makeup Base, which offers SPF 30+++. So actually, if you are just staying indoor, right, this will be good enough to save you, to protect you from the sunlight. As you can see, actually it will blend into your skin tone very nicely later on after you apply evenly on the face. Concealer part. Okay, so as we have two color tone, right, the beige and ivory, so I will use both. Alright, so ivory is the lighter shade, so I will use it. This is how the color look like. Alright, I'll apply it here. You can see. Alright, okay, so I just use my hand to tap it so it blend in. Alright, you can see it conceal. Alright, so if you, one of the tips, if you like this concealer so much, right, actually it can conceal your whole face if you like to. Right? This is what this is another part you can do, and of course here, so you can see I have a pimple mark here. I also cover it. Right, you can see just using the fingers, the simple one, it can really get done. Can you see actually it offers a very smooth skin surface with the concealer? Alright. And for this darker shade of the beige color, right, actually you can use it to create a contour effect if you want to here at the cheek area, so that it gives you the contour effect. Alright, with the darker shade. So actually you can shape up your face to be smaller. Okay. So after this is done, the last one will be, I love this so much as well, the loose powder. It can actually foam up the makeup, so it will offer you the smooth finishing. So you see the design, okay, it have a sponge here, alright, then it has the netting inside, so that your powder, it won't spill everywhere. You can see the netting here. So actually the smell is also very good. I love this so much. So you can see, so I just tap it on, it will give me a very smooth finishing to the face. It's done. So with this series of Elemente skincare and cosmetic, you can see here, you can actually create a perfect light nude makeup, alright, with this loose powder at the end here. Alright, so of course later on you can add on your sharp eyeshadow, your blusher, your lipstick, that will complete your makeup.